Hey everybody. So we have our Polaris Ranger back. It was in the shop. It had some front end work we needed to do to it, but we got it back and we have a little project for it. So this is one of our dump trailers. We're going to be taking our Polaris Ranger, which just got back from repair. You can see we did all kinds of new CV joints. And I really run this thing fast on the roadways. You've probably seen it before. So what we're going to do is I think we're going to go ahead and throw the plow on. Figured I had the trailer anyway. I brought a little bit of QP in. Our driveway has been knocked out by the plow trucks. So I brought a little QP in here, and I thought maybe we could just throw our plow blade on the Polaris. You can watch me almost kill myself taking this Polaris off. Actually, we might as well leave that out because we're going to be putting the plow on it. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. I made that look not scary, didn't I? That was not too bad. Let's go get that plow on and we'll grade that out. Of course, it's always good to have the pins ready. There's one. And there's two. Latched in there. And we're good to go. Get this back on lock. There you have it. did a pretty decent job with getting it leveled out. I'm gonna grab a rake. We're just gonna do some final touches, but I think overall it doesn't look too bad. You know, a little bit of a hump there, but you know, it's gonna compact too. So let's go get a rake. We'll rake out some of these weird spots here, and we should be in good shape. Let's go grab a rake. Come on, come on. This is the other thing you got to be careful of. I've had times where I've done projects and I just left this there, and boy, did that make a mess. Brought that shovel just in case. I think it might be a little heavy on this side here. Okay, it's just one of those things. The more I work with it, the more it gets a little messed up. So I'm just gonna leave it be. We're gonna do a little back and forth over it and see if we can smush it down a little bit. All right, so there's the finished product. I think it came out pretty decent. Maybe a little more than I really needed. We used the Polaris Ranger here a little bit. It's nice to have it back. Steering's working great. And what a great machine. It did cost me a little bit to get the rack and pinion back in there. But wow, it's super, super tight. A lot tighter than it was. But yeah, so hope you had fun watching this. I mean, it was just a little something, something. This is some of the product that we offer. This is 3/4 QP. And these are the kind of jobs that you can do with it. It's not a real super pretty product. Sometimes this is one of those products that come out, can be a little different each time. You can get this like super gray, comes out a little bit browner sometimes. This product is very inconsistent, but boy, does it do a job, you know. And I know the Polaris Ranger is not super, super heavy for the job as far as packing this down, but at least it'll keep some loose particles from flying around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And spring's upon us, so get your mulch. We'll see you soon, and thanks for working with us, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it.